Blessed be Allah's land, united Pakistan. Blessed be the sacred land, united Pakistan. Thou symbol of high resolve, united Pakistan. Blessed be thou center of faith, united Pakistan. Surrender to the one, united Pakistan. The order of this sacred land, the might of unity. May the nation be united, united Pakistan. And the country shine in glory, united Pakistan. Glory everlasting, united Pakistan. Blessed is our goal, united Pakistan. Glory everlasting, united Pakistan. United Pakistan. The flag, the crescent and the stars lead to Allah's perfect land, united Pakistan. Blessed be Allah's land, united Pakistan. Blessed be this sacred land, united Pakistan. The meaning of our past, the glory of our now. Blessed be Allah's land, blessed is sacred Pakistan. Happy to be in this land, united Pakistan. The order of this sacred land, happy to be in this land. The unity of this land, love united Pakistan. The beauty and the love in everlasting. Everlasting unity, united Pakistan. Blessed is this goal, united Pakistan. The flag, the crescent and the stars leads to Allah's perfect land. The symbol of unity leading to the one. Blessed is this sacred land, joyous people in this land. United Pakistan. Blessed be thou center of faith, surrender to the one. Blessed be the joyous face of united Pakistan. The order of this sacred land, the might of only one. Blessed be thy goal, united Pakistan. The flag, the crescent and the stars leads to Allah's land. The mountains and the rivers love His perfect plan. Blessed be Allah's goal, united Pakistan. Blessed be Allah's goal, united Pakistan. Blessed be thy truth, united Pakistan. The meaning of our past, the glory of our now. The glory of our now, our unity and glory, united Pakistan. Blessed be this land, united Pakistan. The beauty and the faith, united Pakistan. Blessed be thou center of faith, surrender to the one, the order of this sacred land. Blessed be our faith, united Pakistan. The love and the glory in all that we stand. Blessed be this sacred land, united Pakistan. Blessed be our children, for they are healing ones. Bless them with all thy grace, united Pakistan. May the country, the nation, united as they stand. Blessed is our goal, united Pakistan. The flag, the crescent and the stars leads to Allah's land. Blessed be this perfect land, united Pakistan. He loves us all eternally, He always is at hand, blessing us completely. Love this blessed land, the meaning of our past, the glory of our now. Blessed be the beauty, united Pakistan. Blessed be our children, for they are healing ones. Bless them with all thy grace, united Pakistan. Everlasting grace, united Pakistan. Everlasting grace, united Pakistan. Bless all the children, for they are healing ones. Everlasting grace, united Pakistan. Love and grace united, blessing all our truth, united Pakistan. Grace and love united, my Lord bless us all eternally, united Pakistan. Bless us all eternally, we united Pakistan. Bless all our children, for they are healing ones. Bless all of them with thy grace, united Pakistan. Bless them with all thy grace, united Pakistan. United, united, united Pakistan. United Pakistan. United Pakistan. United Pakistan. United, united, united Pakistan.